Okay, so here's the hot water heater. Here's what it looks like on the bottom. Okay, so it used to just be this, but then this board here is new, and this board here is new. He's building it up more and more. You don't need this board. This one was already here. Why couldn't we just have used this one instead of adding more? He's building it up. Why? And there is the, let's just shove it in there. It's cool. But there's one tiny problem. See back there? There's no insulation back there. He just literally took a hunk of insulation from the shed. See? All back in there? That's the back wall right there. That's the corner. And all this is not insulated. See? And there's like places here where he just literally shoved it in there. And like he's hiding stuff. That's why Scott Dornfield said to get the kind with the piece of paper on it, so that if men needed to come work and access anything, it would be a piece of paper. See how he's got a bunch of stuff covered? You know, you can't get to like even the shut off. It's all, he's like cluster fucking. And he's just got this like shoved in here, see? See that? Now watch. He just shoved it in there. Well, I couldn't do that. Look. Ta-da! Shove it in there. Ta-da! Look at it. It's all honked and chonked. All the way back there. This is an interior wall. Why is there any insulation in there at all? Look. It's an interior wall. See? That's the wall that needs to be insulated. But he's throwing insulation in here? Like this? Why? That's an interior wall. And this insulation is yucky. It's yucky. And I'm supposed to get the kind with the piece of paper on it. What are we doing here? He just went, well, really? Like that's doing something. La 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 la. Shove. Whatever. And then there's like, I don't know what he's doing. I know I'm getting upset. I don't understand. I told him I wanted to be able to take these shelves out in case a hot water heater man came and he needed to get to the hot water heater. I wanted these shelves so that you could just move whatever was on here, like blankets or comfort or whatever, and you could just pick this shelf up and set it on the bed. But I'm finding you cannot get that shelf out to save your life. That shelf is not coming out. God damn it, I'm gonna get a fucking framing hammer in a minute. What the fuck does he have going on in here? Why can't I lift that shelf out? Did he nail it? What the fuck is going on? It's a big ass gap over here. Why can't you just pick this up? Because you can't. This is how much I can lift it. Not even a millimeter. That's it. And the next shelf, look at this. The next shelf is way up there. Now, hypothetically, if I were to put something on this shelf way up here, okay, oh look at this shelf comes out. Look at that. That shelf comes right out. See? Look at it. There it's flat. Here, I'm going to lift it up. Ta-da! You can take this shelf out. Wow, the hot water heater man will be so happy. You can take the top shelf out. He's going to love it. Now, what am I supposed to put up here? I can only reach until here. That's the farthest I can reach. My arm doesn't go any longer. So, you see the mark in the dust? Like right there? Okay, beyond that, like back there, I can't even touch the wall back there. So, how am I supposed to get anything from way back there? I can't reach. I can go maybe a third deep, and then I can't reach anymore. And this is great. I asked him that I want the shelves to come out for the hot water heater man. This is funny. This one comes right out. See that? You can take this one right out. This one? No fucking way. That's like been Gorilla Glued. There is no way to get that out. No way. I can't get that out to save my life. There's no way that's coming out. So, this was the thing where I had the fire last year. There's that, see that screw? Right there. There's not enough room. I'm going to leave my finger right there. There's not enough room. If there was a problem, to get a screwdriver in there. Look. There's this much room. I'm going to leave my finger still. Watch. There's this much room. This much. Well, compared to something, you know. Here's the file cabinet drawer. That much room. The length of the file cabinet drawer. This much room. That's how much the guy has to work with. You think like a Phillips screwdriver could fit in there? Being that... Watch. From there to the top of the... There's no room to work in here. There's maybe 6 inches. Why is he insulating an interior wall? God damn it. Insulating an interior wall. I'm gonna insulate the shelf. What a fucking dumbass. That's an interior wall, fucker. Look at, watch. What's on the other side of the wall? The house. We're indoors. That's an interior wall. That is an exterior wall. You don't need to insulate the floor. And you do need to insulate way back there. That's why Scott said, get a piece of insulation with paper on it. Just shinny it all the way down. He didn't do that. He didn't listen to me. He's just... He doesn't know what he's doing. That's just the end of it. He doesn't know what he's doing. It's horrible. I'm mad. I don't know what to do. I'm just fucking beside. I'm beside myself. I have to pay these guys. Come over and fuck shit up. I'm just gonna leave my house wrecked because there's no point in paying somebody to wreck it more. Fucking. What the hell is he doing here? Really, dude? Do you see how thick this is? Why are you building this up? Take this off. This doesn't need to be here. This is enough. That's a good, strong... I don't have termites. Why is he even doing this? And then he's got a kickboard down here. Like a kick plate. See that? Why did he put that down there? A serviceman is going to need to be able to access things down there. He can't even get to those clamps with that in the way. That needs to come off. They need to be able to work on this. He can't get down there. It's a fucking cunt hair. Look at that. Look at. He doesn't have room. Here, I'll show you something you know. Okay, there's paper clips on a paper clip. Look at. You compare. Let's see if it'll. Yep, it'll balance. Look at that. There's not enough room. See what I'm talking about? There's not enough room for anybody to do any work. And what do you need a kick plate? What are we doing? You didn't even screw the screw in all the way. The fucking screw's sticking out. What is that, a hex? The head is a hexagon. Screws are in there bent and twisted. That's at an angle. Sorry, I've been painting all day. Well, not all day, for several hours. Wow, what is that? Danger. Fuck, that would hurt. Tetanus shot. Wow. I'm done. I don't want to look at this anymore.